It's your Angel Oracle online, here to give you some peace of mind. Peace of mind. So, a lot has happened over this past season. I'm sure you focused with your new moon, if you were tuning in for the new moon, of writing down within the circle what your focus was. And perhaps you experienced a lot since then. And whatever you're experiencing, here we are, coming towards the full moon, and it's coming fast up the end of this week. So the message for you today is to be sure you're getting out into the sunshine and soaking up all its rays of juicy goodness, because it's such beautiful weather if you're in the northern hemisphere. Rain's gonna come and go, and it's gonna get darker. Make sure you go and take advantage of your sunny afternoons and have a snooze in nature. Find a really calming, soothing, sacred space to lay down and take a cat nap. Make yourself comfortable in nature. Allow nature to feed you. Allow the earth to rejuvenate you in deep ways. Ways that are beyond you needing to think about it. Just go on out and enjoy the sunshine and connect with nature. Allow her to bless your body, your heart, your mind, your soul. The full moon is coming, and the moon is waxing, and we're approaching the autumn equinox. How beautiful the season of autumn is coming to us. So allow yourself to have a sacred day in every way. Nature's all around. Indulge yourself in some nature time. Let it nourish you. Yeah. This is your Angel Oracle online, giving you a little inspiration.